In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enter your opening balance in Zoho Books, an essential step to keep your financial records accurate and organized. Whether you're switching from another accounting software or starting from scratch, this process ensures your books are set up correctly from day one. Start by going to your Zoho Books dashboard and clicking on Settings in the top right corner. Once there, open the Organization section and you will find the option labeled Opening Balances. Click on it to begin entering your data. Now set the opening balance date. This marks when you begin tracking transactions in Zoho Books. Ideally, use the last date from your old system or the start of your new financial period. This ensures your records stay consistent across systems. Your opening balance represents how much your business had at the start, including assets, liabilities, and equity. Think of it as the foundation of your financial system. To fill it out accurately, refer to your most recent balance sheet or financial documents. Cross-check the figures carefully so everything aligns perfectly. Once entered, Zoho Books will calculate all your future transactions correctly. A clean and accurate opening balance prevents discrepancies and keeps your reports reliable. If you're ever unsure about the numbers, consider checking with your accountant before finalizing. And that's it. Your Zoho Books account is now properly set up with opening balances. You're ready to manage your finances smoothly and make confident business decisions moving forward. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tutorials and accounting tips.